Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm sure you're thinking these hoops are too big for my face, but I've had them for so long in my closet and I was too scared to wear it because of how huge they are, literally. But I was like, I'm gonna do this today, and I did. I wore it and I actually really like it. So like you can probably already tell by the title of the video, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys a few makeup products that I got from Amazon for the season, for like the Christmas season, the cold, the winter and everything. So these are all very winter appropriate products, and I'm also going to just try them all out for you like I did in the last video, even though y'all, I don't know if y'all saw it and liked it a lot or not because it didn't get a lot of views, but I'm just gonna try this one more time wherein I apply the products in the haul, and if y'all still don't like it, I'll probably not do that from the next time on. I'll just do a haul when I do a haul and not do a tutorial or like a look or anything, but I'm gonna try it for this time. And yeah, let's just get into the video. And they are all pretty affordable. Like I'm not saying they are like cheap kind of affordable, they are a bit on the higher side, but like they are not luxury products, and they're all pretty appropriate for the winter, as in they're not gonna dry out your skin or make you feel chapped or anything. So yeah, if you guys are interested, without wasting any further time, let's just get into the video. But again, before we do that, I have to remind you guys to subscribe to my channel if you actually enjoy my videos, and if you enjoyed this particular video, consider giving it a thumbs up. And yeah, let's get into the video now.
I'm gonna start off with the Faces Canada All-Time Pro Primer. This happens to be a primer moisturizer, and by that I mean this primer will moisturize your skin as well. So if you're gonna use a oil or a moisturizer on your face before applying this, you don't need to apply a whole lot of the thing. You can just apply it. You need to apply a primer, but you can skip the moisturizer or the oil if you're gonna use this one, because it does moisturize your skin. But in that case, you do have to apply enough amount for you to actually get moisturized. I am already wearing a moisturizer, so I'll only apply a little bit of the primer in places I really need it, and then just blend it out using my fingers. Next up is a Lakme Absolute Liquid Concealer with SPF 25. This has to be one of the best concealers I have used in a long time. It's pretty affordable. It's a full coverage concealer. The shades are really good. The shade matches my skin tone really well. I'm not gonna pretend that there is a lot of shades available, but if it's available in your shade, you should totally get it. It's one of the best concealers. It's very easy to blend. It's full coverage and gets applied evenly. I'm gonna apply it on my eyelids and start blending it using a makeup blender. For the price, it's a really good concealer. Next up is the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Matte Foundation. This again is one of my favorite foundations, even though I do not enjoy using liquid foundations a lot. This foundation is one that I really enjoy using. The applicator is kind of a saddle applicator. A lot of product comes out at once, so you'll have to swipe a little bit out. It's very comfortable on the skin. It's very easy to blend. It's a full coverage foundation. It's not super oily. It dries out matte. It lasts pretty long on your skin, but it won't make your skin super dry. It's transfer proof to some extent and will not get super chalky super soon. I applied it all over my face, and like you can see, I'm dabbing it in, and for the price, it's really good.
Now I'm done with blending the foundation. I'm gonna go in and apply the concealer under my eyes.
Next up is this matte compact powder from Just Herbs. This one has SPF 15 plus in it. It's free from talc, mica, synthetic fragrance and parabens. The packaging is super cute. It has a mirror and a puff in it. The applicator puff is super good. It can be used to blend so many other things as well. So basically the best thing about the compact is the applicator, but really the compact itself is super good as well.
Look at how blurred my under eyes are right now. I can't see any lines, or like it has this airbrush kind of effect on my skin, and I absolutely love it. Another thing I like to do with my compacts is I like to take a tiny little eyeshadow blending brush, and when I don't want to do a heavy eyeshadow look, what I do is I apply it on the top of my eyelids, so you know the concealer will not crease on my eyelid. Like it'll get blended with the powder, and all of the harsh lines etc. will melt away. It will get blended properly, and yeah, it looks more natural that way. When I don't want to apply any dark shade or any shimmer or glitter on my eyes, when I just want to wear a liner, or when maybe I'm not wearing any makeup at all, I just want to cover up my dark circles a little bit, I apply this on top of my eyelids as well. Yeah, you see, like that, it's blended, it has this kind of a lifted kind of a look, and I really like it.
Next up is the Faces Canada All Time Pro Eye Pigment. This is a loose shimmer eyeshadow powder in a pot. The shade that I got is called Holographic, and it is a holographic shade. It's the only holographic shade in the range, and this one shifts from silver to blue. Look at that shine. It's just gorgeous. It's one of the best shimmer shades I own. I don't have any other holographic eyeshadow. I'll have to get a few of those, but I really like this one. Do you see how it blends into blue and shifts into blue? It's very easy to apply. You just have to take a little bit on your finger or on a wet brush and just apply it all over your lid. Or if you want to apply it on top of an eyeliner or something, you'll have to use a thinner brush and just apply it. It stays on for a long time. It's very comfortable on the eyes. There isn't any fallout at all, and it's highly pigmented. So for the price, it's really good.
I hope you've been enjoying the video so far. Coming in here quickly to talk to you guys about Kaspersky. Kaspersky provides you guys with a total internet security and a VPN. In today's world, when hackers are hacking someone or the other every other day, you really need internet security. So go get Kaspersky, and if you go click the link in the description box below right now, you'll get a special offer. So what are you waiting for? Go get Kaspersky.
Next up is this kajal from Just Herbs again. It's a kohl kajal. Just Herbs is a cruelty-free brand, and this kajal is paraben-free. It comes in a pen-like applicator. You'll have to wind it up to get the product out. There's a lot of product in it. It's very highly pigmented. It blends super easily. You can draw both thin and thick lines using it. Also, it lasts for a really long time. It's very easy to apply on your waterline as well. And like you can see, I'm blending it out a little bit on the outside to draw a wing, a lower wing, and it looks gorgeous.
Super easy to blend, super easy to apply, very creamy, very smooth, and it's very pigmented like you saw.
Next up is the Just Herbs Lip and Cheek Tint. It's SLS, parabens and chemical free. It comes in a tiny pot and it's very easy to carry. This is one of the blushes I carry when I'm traveling. I take just a little amount using my fingers and apply it on my cheek, and then I blend it using a blush brush. You can also use a makeup blender. For a proper cold girl look, I'm going to apply it on my nose, my chin as well. Next up is a set of 5 lipsticks from Just Herbs. They are liquid matte lipsticks. The one that I got is called Deeps in Reds. So it has one red and the others are deep nude colors. I'm gonna start off with this shade called Beetroot Burgundy. It happens to be my favorite shade in the entire range. It's this deep pink mauve shade. This is one lipstick that I carry everywhere I travel because of the tiny shape and because how good the lipstick is. Once I run out of this, I'm definitely gonna order a full size one. The color is so gorgeous, it will go with any skin tone. These lipsticks are highly pigmented. The next shade is called Raisin Rust. It's a yellow toned nude lipstick. It has kind of a peach to orange undertone to it. So it will go really well with you if you have yellow undertones to your skin. But that's really not important. These shades are shades that will go well with any skin tone, especially Indian skin tones. Even though they are matte lipsticks, they take a really long time to dry out and they transfer super easily as long as they haven't dried out, so you have to be wary of that.
The next shade is Hibiscus Red, and this is a red shade. This entire range is super amazing for the winter season because of how deep the colors are. You can totally wear this red shade for your Christmas parties, the others as well, really, for a nude glam look. The only complaint I have with these lipsticks is that they are not transfer proof. Even when they dry out, they do transfer, but because of how extremely pigmented they are, you will not run out of pigment from your lip. The next shade is called Dusty Rose. This one again is a nude lipstick. This is mostly for the neutral skin tones. It has some yellow and some blue undertones to it. Again, a really gorgeous lip shade will go really well with your yellow undertone makeup looks. And they last for a long time, even though they will not last you your meal. Last but not the least is the shade Plum Rose. Again, a mauve pink shade, very similar to the first shade, but if you know lipsticks, you'll understand the difference between the two colors. You can really have one or the other, you don't need both. But if I was to explain the difference between the two shades in short, I would have to say this shade is a bit lighter and has less blue undertones to it. Next up is this lipstick from In Nature. I don't know how to pronounce the brand, but I hope I got it right. The packaging is extremely simple, nothing extravagant. The shade I got is Glam Pink. It's kind of a deep pink to red shade. The applicator again is super simple. Also, there's not a lot of product in the tube. It's very less. The gloss is not thick. It doesn't have a lot of consistency. It's not highly pigmented. It's just a simple gloss. It does its job. It's not super sticky, but it's definitely not one of the best glosses for the price. You'll get a lot of better glosses at this price. Example, you can get them from Swiss Beauty or Insight Cosmetics. This gloss is you get what you pay kind of a thing. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and benefited from it. Do let me know if you guys like me doing a look or not in the comment section below. If y'all want me to just try them on my hands and show you like I used to, whatever. If you guys have any other video suggestion in your mind y'all want me to do, let me know that as well and I'll definitely do it. If you already have any of these products, if you're planning on getting any of them, do let me know that as well. And I'll see you guys in my next. Till then, take care. Bye bye.